Before you ride, perform the pre-ride inspection as described in the owner's manual. Read, understand, and follow all of the instructions, warnings, and safety precautions in the owner's manual and on all product labels. Failure to do so could result in serious injury or death. Visually inspect the vehicle, looking for debris, loose fasteners, leaks, and worn components that may impair the vehicle's operation. Pay particular attention to the radiator area for the accumulation of debris, which can cause the engine to overheat, and clean any debris that is found. Next, check the condition of the tires, looking for any sign of punctures or damage, and inspect the tread depth. Also check the tire pressures and verify that they are to specification. Reference your owner's manual or tire pressure label on your vehicle for the correct specs. Inspect the front and rear suspension for leaks, debris, and damage. Also grease the fittings on the front sway bar mounts as needed, viewed from the wheel wells on both sides of the vehicle. Then move to the brake pads and rotors looking for corrosion, nicks, and burrs. Next, inspect the PVT intake on the drive belt cover and the PVT intake screens above the airbox for blockage or debris and clean as needed. Next, inspect the engine intake and the intake screens above the airbox for blockage or debris and clean as needed. Then move to the rear of the vehicle to clean the spark arrestor. Allow the vehicle to cool completely before performing any spark arrestor maintenance. Begin by removing and retaining the spark arrestor fastener. Then carefully pull the spark arrestor out of the exhaust. Inspect the screen for wear or damage and replace if necessary. Then clean any debris on the screen. Next, reinstall the spark arrestor into the exhaust and align the mounting holes. Reinstall the spark arrestor fastener and torque to specification. Next, ensure the vehicle is on a flat level surface to inspect the fluid levels. Then inspect the fluid level and condition in the master cylinder in the driver's side front wheel well. Ensure the level is between the min and max marks. If it's low, clean around the cap and add fluid as necessary from a new and unopened bottle. Do not allow brake fluid to contact painted surfaces or paint damage may occur. Next, move to the passenger rear wheel well to access the oil dipstick. Before continuing, ensure the oil is checked on a cold engine. A hot engine will appear overfilled. Then clean the area around the dipstick. Remove the oil dipstick and wipe with a clean shop rag. Reinstall the oil dipstick fully and remove it again to inspect the oil level. Ensure the oil level is within the safe range on the dipstick and reinstall the oil dipstick. Do not overfill. Next, verify proper operation of the door latches. Then, check the condition and function of the seat belts or seat harnesses. Inspect the full length of the seat harness for cuts, wear, fraying, dirt, debris, or any stiffness. Also test the buckle and latch for proper operation. Always wear a seat belt when riding. The vehicle will limit speed if the driver's seat belt buckle is not latched. After this, turn the key on and inspect the fuel level, ensuring there is enough for your trip. Start the engine and verify there are no warning lights illuminated. Next, verify proper operation of the headlights, taillights, and brake lights. Then check the steering system for smooth operation from full left to full right. Verify proper brake and accelerator pedal movement, taking note of any binding or sticking. Lastly, always practice safe riding by wearing the required safety gear listed in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.